Hi, this is Hannah from WNC Pressure Washing. Have you ever noticed black discolorations on your roof? Chances are these unsightly blemishes are caused by an organic growth similar to algae. Furthermore, most roofs can be safely and economically cleaned, avoiding the expensive cost of shingle replacement. In this short video, I will explain a little bit about this growth and the cleaning process. One such technical bulletin can be found here, along with cleaning recommendations and processes. Major asphalt shingle manufacturers have specific guidelines regarding the cleaning of asphalt shingles. If you choose to clean your own roof, information can be found here. Cleaning of asphalt shingles should never involve a pressure washer. A roof should only be soft washed. A professional soft wash is a chemical and algaecide process applied at a very low pressure. A true soft wash company will offer a great deal more than just a splash and dash service. They will provide a glance and property protection plan, a warranty, proof of insurance, and even professional references of other satisfied customers. If you would like information on cleaning your shingle or metal roof, call WNC Pressure Washing at 828-331-8118 or visit us online at wncpressurewashing.com. Thank you for watching our video.